Paanda na natin yung makina na binuild natin from Leyte guys. So ayan, 4 valve, 200cc, sniper head. Boss, good luck! Puro motocross ito guys. Yan, okay na. Medyo matigas ikran. Pero ito yung profile ng piston natin guys. Yung ano guys, with ring guys. Wait lang guys. Sakit eh. Ay! Sakit eh. Cut.